Welcome back. Today, got the '03 Tundra, and I'm not sure if I'm hearing some kind of noise coming from the front wheel when I brake or not brake, and there's no sense in really driving it around. What needs to happen is, I can't remember how long it's been since I've done some brakes, but I definitely need to check it. So let me loosen up the nugs, the lug nuts, put a jack under this thing, and see what we got. Man, how many tires have I changed this year? I mean, a million? Maybe. I mean, really, maybe a million tires. It almost seems like it. I'm not going to make you go through this whole tire changing process, so let me just jump ahead to when the wheel's off and I got it up on a jack stand. I'm doing a brake inspection, and son of a bitch if I don't find a nail in my friggin' tire. I'm going to pop it. Let me see if I can mark it somehow. Find out if I'm a winner or a loser. Oh, the nail fell on the friggin' ground and I can't find it. Okay, when this happens that you've dropped a nail in the dirt driveway and you can't find it, and I know it's in this area right here. Here it is. Okay. That's the bad boy that was in the tire. Son of a bitch. Well, this tire is new enough and the hole is centered enough, I believe they can fix this. Well, I don't need to go any further. Man, these pads are so thin, there's really nothing left to them, especially the front one on this side. So it's toast. It's toast. And am I missing a pin? I don't know. Who knows? I have to look. Okay, anyways, I gotta go get me some new pads. Throw on a spare tire, get a plug, make the world right. I cannot believe this, my second flat in a week. All I can think of is I was somewhere and on the passenger side, because that's the new tire. Dusty, shut up. Let me start this again. If I can get my damn dog to shut up. Be quiet. Oh. I cannot believe I've had another flat in a week. Now this one had the nail in it. It was holding air till I pulled it. So I'm guessing that this side ran over some nails or trash somewhere. Because that's the brand new tire that I decided not to replace. But the tire that was here was looking so good, I had to pay to get it patched, and I'm waiting. And I believe this is going to call for a rotation because I don't like driving a patch tire, and I really don't want to drive it as a front tire. If something's going to leak or blow, I'd rather have it be in the back. Give me the steering control. Okay, so whether I rotate the tires or just put one of the good ones on the front, I'll figure it out. Stand by for the brake job.